Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by replacing the default launcher so you gain control over layout and animations. Install a reliable launcher and an icon pack, then set the new launcher as the system default. This gives you custom grids, gestures, and consistent icons. Once done, import or manually arrange your main home screens. Prioritize 3-5 frequently used apps and a folder for essentials. Make sure to create a backup of your launcher settings before continuing so you can revert if something goes wrong. Now you refine the middle layers. Change the grid to a balanced size, hide labels, and resize widgets to reduce visual clutter. Use a widget maker like KWGT for compact clocks, calendar, or battery readouts so you keep functionality without crowding the screen. Configure launcher gestures. Swipe up for app drawer, double tap to lock, swipe down for notifications. These reduce icon count and speed navigation. Finally, adjust icon size and padding so alignment looks intentional and clean. Finish by choosing a single wallpaper and accent color that ties icons and widgets together. Consistency makes the interface feel polished. Lower animation scales to 0. 5x in developer options for a faster, more responsive UI, and enable adaptive icons where available to keep shapes uniform. Once everything looks right, back up the configuration. If things go wrong, for example icons revert or layouts break, clear the launcher cache, reassign the default launcher, or restore your saved back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.